Hello guys, I'm going to teach you how to use iMovie. So first you have to go inside iMovie. You will see this your movies and like all of these are all my movies. And my YouTube videos. So you just go start a new project, movie, and then just select whatever videos you want, and then press create movie. You should get all the videos. You can cut them before you use iMovie. And then you just push them. Like, you should see here there are two videos. You can just pull the entire video to another place like that, and yep, you can also change the effect between them. So there are these. You can also use these to see how long is the effect. Sound effects on and sound effects off. You should know that. And this is my next video. And then when you're done, you just press done. And then if you want to upload anywhere, just share video. This is how you play the video, and then you can. I like to share video, and then instead of just posting it on YouTube, I like to airdrop to another device and then just airdrop back to this device, and then you just put it onto YouTube. Yeah, that's how I do it. So this is how you use iMovie, and thank you.